Hello guys, I'm Sharvin from W Poets, and as we know, WordCamp Surat is around the corner. Let's go find out more about WordCamps and WordPress. Okay, so guys, chalo, we ask everyone else about what WordCamps they have attended, and let's get their experiences. बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, let's start with Sandeep. Sandeep.
अरे मला माहिती नाही.
अरे काय माहिती तेवढं सांग सर.
अरे मला वर्डप्रेस म्हणजे काय माहिती नाही. मी काय
ओके,
डेव्हलपर
टेल अस व्हॉट वर्डप्रेस इज. वर्डप्रेस काय आहे?
नाही माहिती मला ते पण. क्या?
कब गिरी?
अरे हाँ सर का कब गिरी. काम करो काम करने दो.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
काम करो काम करने दो.
Okay. आपका बारी है. So, tell us your experience about WordPress and WordCamp.
So first of all, do you know what WordCamp is?
Thoda bahut.
Thoda bahut, okay. So WordCamps are a community-driven event. And when I say community-driven, it is not a profit kind of event that is running. It's hardcore non-profit organizational event which is done by a community of WordPress members. And what they do is they come together, they share their thoughts, they share their experiences. Business owners will share their things, what they've done in the past. Speakers will come, they will give talks, which is where I come in. I have been talking in multiple WordCamps, both Indian and international. So that is something that WordCamp is. And I guess Surat is coming up, so you guys should attend Surat, and that is what is you should do. Anything else?
How many WordCamps have you attended till now?
I don't even have a count. I started in 2017, so I guess more than 20-25 WordCamps I've attended, and I've attended every WordCamp Asia, which is again coming up in April. So you can count 4 of those Asian WordCamps. Then I've had WordCamp Europe there, where I went in Belgrade, and then yeah, more than 20
So,
WordCamps.
उसमें से favorite memory क्या है आपका? Any of them?
It's very tough to actually say what is the. But yeah, if you really want to understand, then the after parties are really nice, and that is where we get a chance to open up. We come out of that formal shell, and that is what the after parties are really nice. Yeah.
Thank you. Ma'am.
Yes. Hello.
I should just go.
Here and where.
कौन सा एंगल पता? आप कौन सा एंगल चाहिए आपको बताओ आप.
I'm okay wherever she finds me cool.
Okay. So share your experience about WordCamps and आपने क्या क्या मस्ती की है वहाँ पे.
Enjoying it. So WordCamps are basically for me it's like a quick break, connect with community, and I guess yes, connect with community is something which we won't be doing like other than WordCamps. Going different cities, enjoying the city cuisine. This is all other than attending the sessions. Sessions are core part of it. For me, networking is like more important than sessions because after all these experiences, I think session is more or less similar for me. I do attend sessions where I see a different topic. I see where people are actually interested. Even the topic itself is a magnetic kind of a thing. Then it helps. But yeah, I think overall networking and connection with people in new cities is something which I really like in WordCamps.
So how does WordCamp help with networking, like connecting with people?
It do help a lot, and it always like you in every WordCamp, no matter in the same city you are going, like after a year or so, you always find some new people with some new ideas. If sponsors are there, then meeting them, understanding their own product, how they are like doing it inside the community, how they are contributing it, even though they are sponsors, how they are contributing in the WordPress org repositories and all. So this is interesting to find all these new things from the sponsors, from the attendees, and a lot of other stuff. Like last time, I met a few team members from Kerala and got to know how they are executing AI projects inside WordPress. And that's quite new. Like there's a lot of AI sponsors were there, but I find two person who was like some Kerala team, but I find their product is really interesting. I found the ideas are very interesting, and they are still evolving in the phase. But I believe this is only possible when you are actually going in different WordCamp and meeting and talking to new people, uh, helping them, helping them that yes, this community is for you, and it will be supporting you in a long run, because they are still starting. They just came out from their initial college days, or maybe just starting up the career.
So अगर किसी को जाना है WordCamp, they want to get into the WordPress or WordCamp community. So what is the easiest way for them to do so?
Join the latest WordCamp, which is happening in Surat, and after that there are a couple of more lined up. The one which we all are waiting for is Asia WordCamp, happening in Mumbai in April. Tickets are already out. Go and take them and experience something in India, a global experience kind of a thing in India itself, in your next city, Mumbai.
Thank you. Now we ask Akshada. Okay, so what do you know about WordCamps?
अरे थांब थांब थांब
नहीं, कट नहीं होगा.
I don't know मला थोडं
Okay, so what do you think WordCamp is?
like it's a मला थोडं तरी आयडिया द्यायची ना मी थोडं वाचलं असतं
Okay, then tell us about WordPress.
Yeah. So WordPress is basically a content management system, right? So through it, we develop different websites which are user friendly. Users can update content on their own. They can manage their own website. Anything like they can add sections which are already developed on their own. This is the main benefit of WordPress, I believe.
Thank you. And we think you should attend WordCamp Surat.
Sure, I will. If I
Okay, now let's ask Amit sir about his experiences, because I think he is the most experienced here. So, hello sir.
Hello.
So we asked everyone about their experiences in WordCamps.
Okay.
And we think you are the most experienced here. You have been to
course,
a
I am.
lot of WordCamps, and you are speaker for most of them. So
Yeah, I have been organizer and speaker and volunteer. I've done all the roles possible.
okay, so we want you to go from basics. So WordCamp क्या है, WordPress क्या है, and to what you have experienced and learned from all these things.
So WordPress क्या है या WordCamp क्या है?
WordPress क्या है?
WordPress तो CMS है
Okay.
and we use it to build websites. I have been associated with WordPress since 2007. Right, so I have been grown up with WordPress now, growing older with WordPress. WordCamp, I think the first WordCamp I attended was in 2011, and that was in Jabalpur.
Okay.
So hard to believe that the WordCamps that we are seeing now, has all come back from Jabalpur. The revamp or the reboot has happened from Jabalpur. Right. Since then, I mean,
So what is your favorite WordCamp जो आपने attend किया है? What is the
WordCamp Pune is always the favorite one. What's there to ask about it, WordCamp Pune we had organized the first WordCamp Pune in 2013, and since then I have been part of all the WordCamp Pune that have been organized. And that's the best. We always lead innovation in the WordCamps in India.
So what is your favorite memory, like a part of it?
Favorite memory from WordCamp?
Yes, any WordCamp.
Our favorite memory was, we went to Kanpur, WordCamp Kanpur, en route to WordCamp Kanpur, we went by train, and we got to eat gulab jamuns at Ori station,
Okay.
matka bhar ke.
Okay.
So that's the favorite moment for me when and one of the main reasons why I travel to all these cities in India, right? Get to eat lots of local cuisine from different parts of the country.
खाना important है.
खाना बहुत important है.
Okay, so बाकी if someone new wants to join WordCamps.
Yeah. Okay. So WordCamp we have right now. WordCamp Surat is happening on 16th. Then we have WordCamp Bhopal. Then we have WordCamp Kolhapur in January, I believe. 1st Feb, 31st Jan, 1st Feb. Then we have WordCamp Pune happening on 8th February. Then we have WordCamp Asia. So there are lots of WordCamps currently happening right here in India.
Okay, so for someone जिसने अब तक WordPress के बारे में ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं है and he hasn't attended any WordCamps yet, तो अगर वो प्लान कर रहा है कि let's give it a try, so what does he expect or what should he expect to experience?
So someone who is new to WordPress and is attending a WordCamp is going to get overwhelmed if he's not coming with a friend. Because there's too many things happening. Right? There are too many talks happening. But ideally, you should be attending the sessions if you are new to WordCamp and also talking to people. Because what happens is, when you are attending for the first time, you don't talk to people. You should go and introduce yourself and talk to people. When you talk to people is when you get the maximum value out of a WordCamp. Because apart from knowledge, right, you make friends. Like I have made tons of friends thanks to WordCamps. Right, so yeah.
So apart from all this, if you want to tell us about anything about WordCamps and WordPress, like something people don't understand or don't know about.
Yeah, WordPress is a very powerful framework. People think of it just as a CMS, but it's a very powerful framework. And when you treat it as a framework, then you actually get the maximum out of WordPress. Right? So, enough about me. Now about you guys. What are you?
So I have been into WordPress or WordCamp Kolhapur for like 2 to 3 months now. I'm planning to volunteer for WordCamp Bhopal and Kolhapur as well as Pune.
Okay,
And
that's good.
yes, so I have met really good people. मैं 2-3 meet में गया हूँ अब तक. I think I have met.
Kolhapur mein?
Yes, in Kolhapur. So we have these meets around the month, and I've experienced and met a lot of people. They bring a lot to the table. I have got to know about what WordPress is in detail, and I am also excited to like meet new people. So if I like socializing, WordPress or WordCamps give us a good opportunity, and I have met great people. I have 2 of my friends who have their different networks, and they bring a lot of knowledge to me, and we stay connected. So that is a good
So
thing.
why don't you attend meetups in Pune also? Or
I
you're
am
not
planning.
there on the weekends?
Depends. If I have some plans, I'm not available. But yes, WordPress and WordCamps are fun for my knowledge right now. And yes, खाना मिलता है guys. So never say no to coffee. Okay, now let's get Arya.
So I'm also very excited to attend a word camp क्योंकि आज तक मैंने कोई word camp attend नहीं किया है but मैंने बहुत stories सुनी है अभी आपने देखा वो सभी stories मैंने सुनी है so I'm really eager to volunteer for WordPress Kolhapur and I'll also plan to attend that Pune wala word camp.
Yeah, it's happening on 8th February. It's happening on 8th February. Okay, it's happening on 8th February.
With this note, we end it for today. Bye.
Peace out.